Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I am explaining how to talk with Google Voice. So I'm just write a letter and just example important job letter. So just guys, I'm click on browser and this is my copy. So guys, I'm typing your name. Okay, I'm just typing your Google Voice. So click tools and voice typing, so you can keyboard control plus shift plus S. So just click to speak English US and your name. So docsgoogle.com want to allow use your microphone. I'm just allow. Okay, so you typing. Okay, so stop. Okay, just I'm select my name Akash Islam. Okay guys, now so I'm just typing and just new and OS. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope subscribe my channel and like this video. So see you later, next time chat with another new video episode. So goodbye. So guys, now I'm just and write a letter. Okay, goodbye. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel and goodbye.